You guys, the days of foam heads to hold your fabulous wigs down are done. Over. Finito. Want to know why? Keep on watching.
See you on the other side. Stay alive.
Hi, hello again to all of my curvy fashion forward dolls and my fashion forward dudes. How y'all doing? Welcome to another Coco's Couture Closet, home of all the trendy tips for plus size hips. I am Coco, and
This is my closet. 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 This is my closet.
if you are new here, hello loves. I am so happy you decided to stop by. Please stick around, like, comment, and subscribe, and become one of Coco's curvy fashion forward dolls or dudes. And if you are already a subscriber, mwah. Hi guys, it's great to be back here with you in the Couture Closet. Now, whether you are a new subby or an old subby, hit that bell below, guys. Pound it so that when I upload a new video,
You can be the first to know, so you can be the first to watch. Yes, honey. Yes.
so, like I said in the beginning of the video, I have a game changer that I want to show you guys really quickly. When I say a game changer, I mean a game changer. No longer are we living in the day and age of leaving your wigs on a foam head. No, in 2020, we getting bougie with our wig stands. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So I was contacted by a company and asked if I would like to do a review on a product that they've launched via Amazon. So I was like, of course, absolutely, especially because it's something that I can use in my everyday life. And it is this gorgeous wig stand, you guys. Now, let me give you the details on this wig stand. First of all, it was very easy to assemble, very easy. Look at the top, you guys. The top has lace on it, soft lace at that. Like if you wear lace front wigs like I do, or full head lace wigs, you want your lace to be as safe and as secure and as what's the word I'm looking for? As protected as possible when it's not on your head. Foam heads are not gonna do that, boo. Not at all. You need some good old lace. Yes, to keep your wig intact when it's not on your head. Not only that, but you can also use this as a headstand. Yes, I'm going to insert some pictures of me using it as both.
See you.
Like I said, it was very easy to assemble, and it measures different measurements. So if you have a hat, bam, why not have it like this? Keep it low. Keep it low and keep it cute. Or if you have a long wig, boom, like I like to wear, you can bring it up, all the way up, just tighten it up right there, and bam, you got a wig stand that can hold like a 30-inch wig, because you can put the wig here and then wrap the bottom of the wig around the stand. That way your wig is not hanging all loosey-goosey all over the place, all over your table, your nightstand, or your bathroom sink, wherever you keep your vanity, wherever you keep your wigs. Or say you have a short bob, bam, we're going to make it medium length. So this has various heights that makes it perfect for no matter what length of wig that you are wearing. And it's easy to assemble. I'm going to take it apart for you so I can put it back together. Everything screws into place very easily. Bam. See how easily that came off? How easily that comes out. And bam, how easy that comes apart. Makes it perfect for travel, you guys. Perfect for travel. Throw these pieces in your bag and you'll have your wig stand on the go. It's very compact, so it doesn't take up much space at all. And it's very aesthetically pleasing in like a vanity room or a room, you know, your bedroom or wherever. So it's not like a big foam head that's been stuck and plucked a million times on your you know, where you record or anything like that. So I'm going to put it back together just to show y'all how easy it is to put back together. It's a flat surface, so it lays flat. It doesn't rock or anything. I'm going to insert this back into here. Tighten that up so that it doesn't come loose. And I'm going to put the lace head right back on it. Bam. That took like all of what, 15 seconds to put together? Yes, everything you need is right included in here. So I'm going to give you guys the full name of it. And it is called the Wig Stand Adjustable Height Hat Display Portable Folding Wig Head Holder Plastic Wig Stand for styling, drying, and display in the color white. It's $19.99, and guess what, you guys? It ships under Prime. So if you order it right now, you can have it within what? 2 days, you guys. That's right, 2 days. I am in love with this. Like I said, it's $19.99 and it's free returns. So if for any reason you don't like it, which why wouldn't you like it? You can return it and get your money back. It is free returns via Amazon Prime. Yes. So I am going to leave the full name of the wig stand as well as the link to my Amazon store, because of course it will be in my Amazon store, and I'm going to make it available to you guys. Yes, because the company was so gracious to reach out to me and send me products so that I can what? Show you guys and put you guys what? On school, because what, in 2020 we upgrade everything from our lifestyle wig stands, honey. Yes. So make sure you guys continue to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more of the goodies that I've been getting and more of the hauls that I got coming your way, because you know I come with what? I come with the slay. Yes, honey. Like I always say, tell your mama, tell your sister, tell your cousin, tell your auntie, tell your gay uncle, baby. Hell, bring your baby, because we got room, and there is always room for curves in Coco's Couture Closet. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Make sure you check out this wig stand, because it's a slay. Slay la vie, that is. Later.